Welcome to Veer Electronics Private Limited. Today, we are going to demonstrate Veer Make Precision Power Analyzer, model VPA 60080. It is useful to measure no load, full load loss of distribution as well as power and special transformers. It can measure 600 volts, phase to neutral, and 1050 volts phase to phase, with 80 ampere direct measurement. We have other ranges, in voltage up to 1400 volts and in current up to 160 amp direct measurement. We have also 150 volts and 8 ampere model with CT-PT ratio facility for better accuracy. The accuracy of power analyzer is plus or minus 0.1% of reading and plus or minus 0.1% of range. It can measure other parameters like voltage, current, power, power factor, crest factor, form factor, etc. It can also measure mean, peak and RMS value of individual as well as average voltage and current. Let's know about front view of power analyzer. This is 20x4 jumbo LCD display. It shows electrical parameter like voltage, current, power factor, and frequency. This is 7-segment LED display, where you can set any electrical parameter. This is instrument on and off switch. This is USB interface port to connect power analyzer with computer system with freeware software. This is keypad for set parameters and change mode of operation. Now press default page button. You can set any page as default page. Here it shows average voltage, current, active power, power factor, apparent power, reactive power and frequency. Press VI page button where you can see individual voltage and average voltage as well as individual current and average current. Now press PPF page button where you can see individual active power and average active power. It also shows individual power factor and average power factor. Here after press SQ page button, it shows apparent power and reactive power in individual and average value. Now press VMP1 page button. It shows R phase individual RMS voltage, also shows mean, rectified and peak value for R phase voltage. It also shows crest factor, form factor and frequency. Now press VMP to page button. It also shows same parameters for Y phase as shown in VMP1 page. After press VMP3 page button, it shows same parameters for B phase. Now press VMP page. It shows RMS, mean, rectified and peak value of average voltage. Also crest factor, form factor and frequency for average voltage. This is IMP1 page. It shows RMS, mean, rectified and peak value of R phase current. Also shows crest factor and form factor. Same parameters applicable for IMP2 page and IMP3 page. IMP page also shows RMS, mean, rectified and peak value of average current. Also shows crest factor and form factor for average current. This is F1, F2, F3 keys for user-defined functions. This is HLD key to hold first raw parameters. This is HLDA key. It is used to hold all parameters of power analyzer. This is mode button. It is used to set different mode and setting of power analyzer. This is up, down, left and right arrow key. It is used for mode of operation and change value in mode of power analyzer. This is ENT button to set value in mode of power analyzer. This is escape key. It is used to go outside of mode of operation of power analyzer. Now, let's check mode or setting of power analyzer.